Hey, the house is really messy house. Oh, let's get that going first.
Oh
Huh? What? Nothing's gonna happen to that, Bobby. Oh, okay, let's get this ready, then, Bobby.
Done, Bubby.
Bobby.
What is that?
This is for vape, Bobby. Vape.
Vape?
Yeah.
What are you making?
Huh?
What are you making? Disgusting.
Disgusting?
Yes, disgusting what you're making.
I'm disgusting, Bobby.
What are you making?
This is for my vape, Bobby.
What is it for your vape?
Huh?
That sounds
This is something special vape. Baba and Baba's friends do this. When Baba was baby, not baby, big boy, Baba used to do this. Baba's friends and Baba used to do this every day in the shop. This is your culture, Baba. You're born in Dubai. You're Arab, Baba. You're Arab.
Your hand smells disgusting.
Smell it. It smells like grapes.
Ew!
Smell it. It smells like grapes, Bobby. What's you, Bobby?
It's disgusting.
Is it?
Go wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Wash my hands?
Yes.
Okay, Bobby.
Wash your hands.
Here, Bobby.
Why are you putting it in them from the floor?
This is okay, Bobby. It's not for eating.
They're not for eating?
No, Bobby.
Your hands smell. Let me smell it. Good.
Good? Is it good?
It smells so much good.
It's grapes, Bobby. What's going on here? Ooh.
Do you accept it?
Huh?
Did you put? Why do you need your phone?
Just like that. I just wanted to see what I was seeing, what my camera is seeing. I have to edit that out. Oh, so hot. Remember, Zion, you have to clean the kitchen. We have to clean the kitchen and the house after we are done. Hey, what? Why are you putting him out there?
Well, can I hold the phone for you?
So, we are dudes? Cool dudes? Cool dudes. Don't tell Mama I did this, okay? Yeah. If you tell Mama I did this, then you're gonna get it from me. You're gonna get it. Okay, Bobby?
If I tell on you?
Yeah, you're gonna get it from me.
And I'm gonna pretend I did it.
Did what?
This.
You did this? Don't tell that to Mama. Mama will throw me out of the house. Don't do this. Ow. What? Ow.
Disgusting.
Oh, it's fucking sharp.
Papa, now games. Happy Baba to you.
Huh? What? Why are you saying happy birthday?
Happy Baba, Baba.
Whose birthday is it?
Your birthday.
Is it my birthday already?
Yes.
No, I don't think so, Bobby.
Yes, it is. I think so.
You sure, Bobby?
Yeah.
No, Bobby. My birthday is in June, Bobby.
July.
June. July is your birthday.
Why are you doing like that?
I have to do that, Bobby.
For what?
Hmm?
Why?
Because I'm trying to make an airtight seal so that no air can get inside from the side.
Can I hold the phone?
Yeah, Bobby, you can hold the phone. You can't quit this app.
The red one?
You can't press anything. Don't press anything.
Okay. I'll just watch you.
You just watch me here. You don't need to watch it over there. I'm not Ryan. Am I Ryan?
Huh?
Am I like Ryan?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Haha! Then you'll watch my video instead of Ryan's video?
Yes.
I'll make lots of videos so you don't have time to watch Ryan's videos.
Welcome to the guitar video. Welcome to the guitar video. Welcome to the guitar video. Baba, why are you drinking that?
Hmm?
Why are you drinking that? Why are you drinking that, Bobby?
That's I'm not drinking. Oh, this is like vape, Baba. The vape.
Is this vape?
Yeah.
Did you buy this for vape?
Yeah, Bobby.
Where do the vape comes out? Where does the vape come out, Bobby?
Hmm?
Where does the vape come out?
Vape. Wait, I'll show you where it comes in.
Huh?
Wait. Come, Bubby. Bring my phone.
You?
Hmm?
You, Bubby?
Yeah, Bubby.
How do I get to it?
Hmm?
How do I get next to you?
Why you want to get next to me? You go sit in the bed. Where's my iPad?
Your iPad is in the room.
Okay, don't touch it. Oh, nice.
What?
Go on the bed. What? Oh, give me this and go. I mean, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Huh?
I was just watching you.
Yeah.
Huh?
Nothing, are you?